Hello Falcons, and welcome to week 7 of school. This video is to give you directions on what to do while you're at home on week 7, either Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you'll know to go to the folder, and you can see on the outside here's a summary of what we're going to be doing. You're going to read 10 minutes each day from your book, fill out your reading log one day this week, do an assignment about friendship songs, take a quiz on the No Red Ink website over capitalization, and make sure everything is turned in by Friday, October 23rd. So let's take a look inside of the folder. You'll see the at-home assignments. That's what you click, not in person. That's for when you're in school. At home, here's a more detailed list. If you need to check out a book, remember to go to Sora or Destiny, which are located in our ELA resources if you need those links. Fill out your Read 10 tracking log one day this week. Pick a day and stick with it. We usually said it was going to be Fridays, but if you're not home on Fridays to do this and you're at home on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just pick one of those days and then each week track your reading. Probably Wednesday would be a good day to do it. Then you're going to complete an assignment called Friendship Songs, Text Evidence. And that's right here, and I'll go over that in a minute. And then the last thing you're going to do is go to No Red Ink, the website. If you click here, that's a live link. And you're going to take a quiz on capitalization. You can use your notes from the capitalization assignment from a couple of weeks ago. Notice, many of you did not complete all 5 topics in the rules of capitalization assignment from week 5 in No Red Ink. You should complete the assignment before taking the quiz. There were 5 separate subtopics that you were required to get mastery on, the green check mark. Many of you did not do all 5 topics, so the quiz will be hard for you if you did not do the work. Plus, your grade is suffering in Power School. So check your grade, and if you do not have 25 points, then that means you did not complete all 5 topics. Each topic was worth 5 points. So if you had 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25 points, that tells you how many topics you completed. Let's go into the assignment. Friendship Songs Text Evidence. Make sure you always read the directions first. Note is due by Friday. You are going to pick 2 of the linked songs about friendship that you like or connect with. You're going to notice what the main idea is and then be ready to listen to the song to find the lyrics, which we call text evidence, that support the main idea. Listen to your 2 songs and follow along with the lyrics. Fill out the chart and identify specific lyrics that support the central idea. Then write 2 to 3 sentences that explain a personal connection you have to the main idea of the song. Don't forget to hit submit after you have completed the chart. So your submit button will be, I think, over here. Well, once you open your assignment would be here, document, and this is what it looks like. It tells you friendship is not only a topic in videos, short stories, and articles. People have been singing about it for years as well. So all of these artists have something to say, a central idea, to us about being a friend. So here is a list of songs for you to choose from. You're going to pick 2 of these songs to analyze, and you're going to analyze them in this chart. So you can see that they're popular, like newer people like Taylor Swift and Bruno Mars, and then they're old people like me and the Beatles. Bill Withers is an old song, Lean on Me. You might know that. This is the theme song for Friends, I'll Be There For You. So anyway, each of these songs has a blue link for you to click on if you want to, or you'll need to click on to get to the lyrics. So let's say you just kind of read through the list, and I'm going to pick this song that I connect with, I'll Be There For You by the Rembrandts. So I'm going to copy it, Control C, and then paste it right here. I don't even have to type it. Then it says, what is the central idea of the song? Well, we gave that to you. You don't have to determine it. We're already telling you this is the central idea, that it's about a friend promising to be there for a friend in hard times. So copy and paste that. And then you're going to find text evidence. So this is where you're going to open the document and find text evidence, lines or lyrics that directly connect with the main idea. So we need to find lyrics that talk about the friend promising to be there for them in hard times. So click on the link, and this opens your lyrics. And so here are the lyrics. I would recommend splitting the screen before you click on the audio link. So if you remember, you drag your screen to the left, and that line appears. And then I'll open this. and drag your screen to the right. And now we have the lyrics and the screen side by side. I hope it worked. Okay, so now you can listen to it while you read the lyrics. So we're looking for lines that support the idea that a friend will help someone when they're in need. So it says, "Life. No one told you life would be this way, but if you're always stuck in second gear, I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour." Okay, so this is about when it's raining, probably figuratively, the person will be there for them. The friend will be there. So I'm just going to copy that lyric, Control C, and paste it here, Control V. So then I'll find another lyric that supports the idea that the friend promises to be there in hard times, and I'll put it there, and then I will think about what this song means and think of a time where I've had a friend that has been there for me in hard times, or when I have been the friend to somebody that needs a friend in hard times. So both ways. And I'll write 2 to 3 sentences that would connect my personal life to this song. So some examples from my own life. Then you will do this again for another song. Okay, so that assignment is all that you have to do. That's all you have to do for that assignment. And then make sure you submit it when you are finished. And then back to our to-do list. Follow the breadcrumb trail up here, at home, week 7. The to-do list. Here is the link for No Red Ink. When you click it, it will take you to No Red Ink, and you will need to log in, and then you will see something similar to this, your assignments. Now, down here, if you have not completed it, I think it will tell you. It looks a little different since I'm a teacher. So you will need to make sure you've completed that whole pathway on rules of capitalization. Then here is the quiz that you will take. Notice it is due by Friday, but for those of you that are in hybrid 2, that are home Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, please get it completed by Wednesday. So click on the quiz, and there are 20 questions for this quiz. So do your best. These are worth points in the gradebook. Like I said, many of you did not finish this, so please finish this assignment, even though it says past due, before you take the quiz, so you'll get the best score. Okay, and then that is all we have. I do want to remind you about your Read 10 tracking log. And if you're at the home page, if you need the links, the Read 10 tracking page should be down here on your Schoology page, and the links to check out a book from Sora or Destiny are right here. So if you need that, go into the ELA resource folder. And that's all I have for you this week, and I can't wait to see you in person in school. Take care.